Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, but if this is your first time here, welcome to SiempreInfinito's DIY. So New Year's, oh my gosh, can you believe the whole year has passed by? So I wanted to make a quick and easy fake bake for you, and I wanted this to be my last video for the year. And I wanted to make a champagne cake. And of course, I have done this once before, and that was for my birthday. The only difference between this one and that one is, other than the color, I am going to do, I want to make the effect of where like the wine is splashing out or into the glass. So this is what I'm going to attempt to make. Now, with all of that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm also going to leave all of the items that I'll be using in this video in the description box down below. Because I'm going to be using three traditional colors, which is the black, silver, and gold, I wanted to keep the cake white. And then just add a splash of gold. This way it will not feel overwhelmed. And I'm trying to make it look glamorous. So again, you know, of course, this is my first time doing a New Year's cake, and I'm just hoping that I'm able to achieve that. Due to the angle of the camera, I was not able to share with you how I iced the side of the cake. So now that my cake is all done, I am going to want to add a clock. So in order to do that, I went ahead and grabbed some Model Magic. I'm using 2 sticks because I want my clock to be even. Once I have my clay rolled out, I grab a cookie cutter. I do not remember what size, but I will add that to the description box down below. And also I will add it to the video. Once I have my cookie cutter, then I wanted my clock to have a some type of sort of design. I don't want it to be just plain. So what I did is I grabbed some more Model Magic and I made a rope type of design, if that makes any sense. And I just went ahead and added that all the way around to my clock. I also wanted my clock to have like some like a knob on the top, making it look more like a stopwatch, but without the chain. And then I went ahead and started painting it. I painted it gold, and I believe I did like about 2 to 3 layers just to make sure that it was not almost like transparent, because when I was painting it, the first layer that I did, it almost looks still whitish. So I just wanted to be like this really deep gold color. So then I let it sit and dry for a couple of more minutes, and I went in with my black pen. I did not want the black pen to leak, so I just, again, you know, like I stated, I let it dry for a few and then went in and started writing the numbers. So here I have it all painted. Now I'm just going to let it sit to the side, and I want it to dry as much as I can before I go in with my ink pen and start adding the numbers. Here I have a clear wine glass, which is made out of plastic, and a empty wine bottle. Now I'm going to use this pipe cleaner, and I want, like I said, I want the effect to make it look like it dripped and like it popped and it's going straight into my glass. So here I have these table scatters, and all I'm doing is just punching a hole right through and then just threading it with the pipe cleaner. I don't have to necessarily have to glue anything. The only time I did had to use actually the hot glue is when I was doing it when I was adding them to the bottle. I forgot to mention that the borders that I added to the top of the cake and on the side, well, actually on the bottom, the top I used tip number 1M, and on the bottom I used tip 21. So here's a question for everyone. Have you guys already have in mind what your New Year's resolution is going to be? Mine is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of next year. I'm hoping I'm able to do that before. Wishful thinking, right? But yeah, leave it in the comments down below. What is your New Year's resolution? Okay, so now I'm just going to try to figure out how I want to place the wine and the glass. But before I do that, I am going to check to see if my clock, if the paint is dry, and then so I can start adding my numbers. So I want to take this opportunity to give many thanks to all of my subscribers, especially the ladies who always leave a nice comment about my videos. Guys, you are the reason why I continue this. You keep inspiring me to want to continue doing fake bakes, and of course I enjoy every bit of it. So to me, that means the world, and thank you so much, guys, for all. Now that I have all of my numbers written down, here is a closer look. Now, I did not add the clock just up yet because I want to show you how it looked without it. So do you think that I should leave it off or should I add it? I am going to show it to you so you can see how it looks with and without it. And here it is. What do you think? Do you think I should leave it on? I love either way. Well, my friends, thank you so much again for all you have done this year for me. And until the next video, stay safe, be kind. Bye.